Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the service light on your Audi A3 8L. After routine maintenance, your car's service indicator often remains illuminated. This simple, manual process will help you clear that reminder without needing special tools. We will cover the steps to ensure your vehicle's system correctly tracks its next service interval, keeping your dashboard clear and accurate. Before we begin, ensure your vehicle is fully prepared. First, confirm that all doors, the hood, and the trunk are securely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the OFF position. This ensures the system is ready for the reset sequence. Finally, familiarize yourself with the trip reset button on your instrument panel, usually on the right side. Now let's perform the reset. With the ignition off, press and firmly hold the trip reset button, typically found on the right side of your instrument cluster. While still holding this button, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Continue holding until the word service or OIL appears on your display, then release the button. To finalize the reset, pull the clock adjustment knob, located on the left side of your instrument cluster. After a few seconds, the display should show two dashes, indicating the service has been successfully reset. Turn the ignition off and then back on to confirm the light is gone. If the indicator remains, simply repeat these steps once more for a successful clear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.